and I was so proud of myself. And then I turned around to get the iPad set up, and my sweet daughter that is here decided she needed to dump flour everywhere. So this is real life cooking, okay? So we're making Krazy Cake, and what's all in Krazy Cake, Everett?
Flour, something.
This is cocoa. This is super, super easy.
Cocoa.
So we got
sugar, vanilla,
vinegar,
oil.
and oil. So let's start dumping it in. Oh, and vanilla. And then we got vanilla. Let's do the flour. And there's no eggs in this. I don't know why it works.
Flour.
Okay, Vivian, do you want it to go in? Just dump it in. Oh, gotta make sure that we get it all in there. And then the sugar. Oh, okay, so Vivian, you're wanting to come on this side now? Okay, I guess. Yeah, you guys. This recipe is from my church cookbook from when I was a kid at home. And so it's the St. John's Catholic cookbook from Swanville. And this is the best cookbook. This is my go-to. You can tell.
Oh!
Luckily, there was no beaters in there. And so it's a great cookbook. Okay, so we got sugar. And so then we're going to dump the oil or the vinegar in there.
Sounds like somebody peed.
And then the oil.
Pee.
A splash
Volcano.
of vanilla.
The volcano erupted.
And then we got...
Wait, Mom, can I blend it?
Yep. And then we have 2 cups. And then there's 2 cups of water. So
let's do
dump
this.
2 cups of water. Really slowly, though.
Volcano.
Okay. And then, just wait. Let me get it going first so it doesn't blow up at us. Back in the mini blender. Okay, there you go. Okay.
Even. Is it jammed? Mom, was it jammed?
I don't know. I think I need a new one. Okay, and so we're going to make sure it's all mixed together. And then we're going to dump it in this here.
Mom, can I dump it?
What?
I want to see how it tastes.
Here, do you want to sit? Here, we got to help
It's
her.
pretty good.
Okay, so I'll hold it and then you get it in the pan.
Why are we being so quiet?
I don't know, why are we being so quiet? This is probably the quietest we've ever been. We're enjoying the silence because it's never quiet in our house. Okay, and we like to leave a little bit extra in the bowl because now we can lick it and eat it, right?
Yep.
Okay, so we're going to bake this at 350 in the oven for, I think it's about a half hour, something like that. This recipe is on my blog, raisingafarmer.com, and so you can look the recipe up there. It is super easy. So we're going to bake this, and then we're going to show you how we like to eat it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Okay, bye. Okay, so now we got it all baked, and everybody's here to have Krazy Cake! Okay, So
Even
and
with the Lego pants.
and it's nice in our Krazy Cake.
Krazy Cake. Oh yeah.
And I like to put my cake in a bowl and soak it with whole milk. That's how I like mine. How do you like yours?
Good.
Yeah.
The Raisig tap.
Is it good?
Tap, tap, tap.